The Super Classic Sling from Optec USA is the ideal sling for photographers using full-frame mirrorless and SLR cameras. It attaches with our exclusive Uniloop connector rated at over 140 pounds, giving you the ability to switch from one strap or harness to another in just a few seconds. The Quick Adjust Sling fastens to one Uniloop connector and allows you to cinch up your gear close to the body. This is great for walking through crowds or hiking through brush or rough terrain. When you're ready to start shooting, simply lift the Quick Adjust buckle and lower the camera, which is then free to glide up and down the sling for easy access shooting. The pad is made of soft, durable neoprene with a non-skid surface backing. It is bound with Lycra for added comfort and can even be worn on the right shoulder if desired without the need for any additional adapters. For added security, a System Connectors extension, sold separately, can be added as a safety lanyard, connecting to the camera and the sling's second quick disconnect. The Super Classic Sling, proudly made in the USA by Optec USA.